Palm Coast, Florida, is known for its sunny weather, beautiful landscapes, and salty sea breeze. However, living in such a picturesque coastal area also comes with its unique challenges, especially when it comes to the windows in your home. Over time, the combination of salty air, fluctuating temperatures, and occasional storms can take a toll on your windows, leading to issues that can affect their appearance, functionality, and energy efficiency. If you're a homeowner in Palm Coast, understanding these common window problems and their solutions can save you money and enhance the comfort and aesthetics of your home. Let's dive into the most prevalent window problems in the area and how to fix them. Corrosion and rust problem. The salty air in Palm Coast is a known culprit for causing corrosion on window frames, especially those made from metal like aluminum. Over time, this can weaken the frame and make your windows look unsightly. Solution: preventative measures. Opt for corrosion-resistant materials such as vinyl or fiberglass when installing new windows. Regularly clean your window frames with fresh water to wash away salt deposits. Repair. If corrosion is already present, lightly sand the affected areas and apply a rust-resistant primer and paint. For severe cases, replacing the frame might be necessary. Foggy windows problem. Foggy or cloudy windows are often caused by a broken seal in double or triple pane windows, allowing moisture to seep between the panes. This not only obstructs your view but also reduces the insulating properties of the glass. Solution: quick fix. For temporary relief, consider using a dehumidifier near the window to minimize moisture. Long-term fix. Replace the affected glass pane or the entire window unit. Many modern windows come with improved seals and warranties to prevent recurring issues. Drafty windows problem. Drafts are a common issue, particularly in older homes. In Palm Coast, the issue can be exacerbated by high winds and temperature shifts. Drafty windows lead to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works overtime to maintain indoor comfort. Solution: DIY repairs. Seal gaps with weather stripping or caulk to prevent air leaks. Use draft stoppers for immediate relief. Professional repair. If the window frame is warped or damaged, consider replacing the window with a more energy-efficient option, such as windows with low E coatings. Cracked or broken glass problem. Whether caused by a rogue baseball, flying debris during a storm, or natural wear and tear, cracked or broken glass is a safety hazard and diminishes your home's curb appeal. Solution: temporary fix. Cover cracks with clear tape to prevent further spreading and to keep moisture out. Permanent solution: replace the broken glass as soon as possible. For homes in hurricane-prone areas like Palm Coast, consider upgrading to impact-resistant windows for added safety and durability. Difficulty opening or closing windows problem. High humidity levels and salt air can cause window tracks to corrode or collect grime, making it difficult to open or close your windows smoothly. Solution: DIY maintenance. Regularly clean the tracks and apply a silicone-based lubricant to keep them functioning smoothly. Professional assistance. If the frame or mechanism is warped, a professional may need to adjust or replace the hardware. Condensation on interior glass problem. Interior condensation is often a sign of high indoor humidity levels, which is common in Palm Coast's humid climate. While not necessarily a structural issue, it can lead to mold growth and water damage if left unchecked. Solution: ventilation. Improve ventilation in your home by using exhaust fans, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. Dehumidifiers. Use a dehumidifier to maintain optimal indoor humidity levels. Upgrade windows. Invest in insulated glass windows to reduce temperature differences that lead to condensation. Peeling or faded frame problem. Constant exposure to UV rays and salty air can cause window frames, especially wooden ones, to fade or peel over time. Solution: maintenance. Sand and repaint or refinish wooden frames with UV-resistant paint or varnish. Upgrade. Replace older wooden frames with modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass that require less upkeep. Choosing the right solution for your Palm Coast home. The key to preventing and addressing window problems in Palm Coast lies in proactive maintenance and investing in quality materials suited for coastal climates. Regularly inspect your windows for early signs of wear and tear, clean them thoroughly, and don't hesitate to seek professional help for repairs or replacements. If you're ready to upgrade your windows or need expert advice on window maintenance, consider reaching out to a local Palm Coast window professional. With the right care and attention, your windows can remain beautiful and functional for years to come, helping you enjoy the coastal lifestyle to its fullest.